1, 2, 3, read for me. Story time has just begun. 1, 2, 3, read for me. Reading books is fun. Hi kids, today we're reading Maisy's Garage by Lucy Cousins. It's a pull, slide and play book. Look at this. There's Tallulah in a tow truck. And here is Cyril in a car that's broken down. Tallulah has to tow Cyril to Maisy's garage. Oh no, Cyril's car has broken down. Maisy knows how to fix it. Look, Maisy's got this machine here that's going to lift the car up, up, up. And who's in the car? It's Little Black Cat. And who's going to help Maisy fix the car? Here's Charlie the crocodile with his spanner. Let's have a look at that. It goes up, up, up. It's a busy day in Maisy's garage. Eddie the elephant checks the engine. Look at that. We can lift the engine up and down. And what do you see with the engine? It's a little spider. This motorbike over here has a flat tire. It needs a new tire. Charlie Crocodile is going to help Maisy put the tire on. They've got all the tools here in the garage. Tallulah tests the windscreen wipers and lights. Here's the windscreen wipers and the lights. Watch them go. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Little Black Cat's happy to be in the garage with Maisy and her friends. Cyril's car is as good as new. Thank you, Maisy. Bye-bye, Cyril. Here's Cyril in the car. It's all working now, so it goes brum, 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 heads out of the garage. And here's Maisy with all her friends. There's Charlie Crocodile who helps, Eddie the elephant, and Tallulah, and of course, the Little Black Cat. What a great book. Reading is fun with Maisy.